While the X-E5 is a nice camera to use on its own, there are some accessories you can add to it to make it easier to use or just because you like them. In this video I'm going to show you all the accessories available from SmallRig for the Fujifilm X-E5 and give you my opinion about them. Yes, SmallRig sent me some of these accessories to talk about them after they saw I use their batteries in my review of the camera. They will not see this video before you or have any input regarding the video. The only thing they wanted is to test the accessories and make a video close to Black Friday because they have an up to 30% discount on some of these products. Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima, I'm a professional travel photographer and I love reviewing cameras and lenses in beautiful locations. And much more, as you can see. So if that is your thing, subscribe. Now let's talk about the batteries because I've been using these since I got the camera. They have a smaller capacity than the original one and there is a small difference, but the fact that they can be charged via USB Type-C compensates for that for me. And the difference is not that big. I am a travel photographer and I am so sick of carrying chargers, and these batteries help me to not stress about that. I didn't measure how many shots you get with one or another, but I can say one thing, you don't notice the difference. Now the next one, the L-shaped grip with an Arca Swiss plate. I was planning on buying this, then my wife saw me looking on Amazon and told me I think you should wait a bit because your name day is coming. Oh, gifts! But a day later SmallRig reached out and now I'm getting a cactus. These come in black and silver, and on my silver X-E5 both look great. I like the black one, adds a bit of contrast, but the silver one looks a bit better. The grip, the silicone grip, is comfortable. I like using this with manual lenses. The weight is really nice as well. They come with a flat head wrench and a red soft shutter button that fits in place really well. They have Bluetooth and battery door access and a strap hole. What I like to pair with these grips is the thumb rest, especially with larger or manual lenses. The thumb rest is comfortable but reduces a bit the access to the buttons and back wheel, but just a bit. These also come in silver and black and with a red soft shutter button. Now let's get to the leather case grip kit. I haven't used one of these since I was using film cameras, and that was a long time ago. And at a first glance I found these cheesy, but after using them for a couple of weeks I started to like them because they are so comfortable. It is true I use the Arca Swiss grip more because I like to do long exposures, but otherwise I love using the black leather one with a thumb rest for street photography. They also come with a neck strap, which is really nice, but I haven't used it that much to be honest because they also sent me these leather neck straps that again are really comfortable. In recent years, most brands started to make comfortable neck straps. It's like someone shared the secret with everyone, or they finally started to listen to what we want. These straps, as I said, they are comfortable and go well with the camera, and they also come in two colors as you can see here. Well, now this is an interesting small accessory I didn't know existed until I opened the box. An optical viewfinder, a 28mm optical viewfinder. This means it is an 18mm optical viewfinder on APS-C. Say optical viewfinder one more time, or close, depending on the camera manufacturer. Having a viewfinder on the X-E5 made me not use this so much, but I think it has a place on other cameras like the X70 and its 18mm lens or the new XM5. This fits on the hot shoe and you can't control anything regarding it. Also, its aspect ratio is 4:3 and not 3:2, so keep this in mind. I think it is a nice idea, but I don't think it works on all cameras or with all lenses. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Another thing I didn't know is that SmallRig makes a compact and small flash that weighs only 128 grams. It charges via USB Type-C, and while I used it for family photos, the battery was quite good. I still didn't manage to empty it, so that is nice. The design, if they went for a vintage design, looks like flashes from the 80s and 90s. Yes, things from the 90s are now vintage. This reminds me, I'm getting old. Maybe that is why I moved to Spain. Anyways, these are all the SmallRig accessories. Some of them I find very useful and some are just for a small group of people. The important thing is that they are all very well made. What I want from SmallRig is a video cage. I know this is not a video focused camera, but it has good specs and I use it a lot for video, so a cage would come in handy. Overall, I like the Arca Swiss grips and the leather cases the most, also the thumb rest, but the Arca Swiss grip and the leather cases are really nice to use, well built, comfortable, and they look great on the camera. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe, this helps me grow the channel and make more videos for you to watch. Also, if you want to support the channel even more, use the links in the description at no extra cost to you. Thank you for watching, see you next time.